Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving averages on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type moving average. Average. And choose this one. Click on it 3 times. So number 1, 2, and 3. Now, these are the moving averages. Go to the first one, click on these 3 dots, and click on settings. Go to input and change the length to 20. Go to style and change the color to any color you want. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And we have here the thickness. You can change it if you want. So I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. Now we have here the 20 moving average. So let's add the 50. Go to the second one, click on it, and click on these 3 dots. Click on settings, go to input and change the length to 50. Go to style and change the color to any color you want. I will choose, for example, white. Okay. Also, the thickness, I will choose this one. Now click on OK, and we added the 50 moving average. Now let's add our 200. So I will click on this one, 3 dots, settings, input, and type here 200. I think that you get the idea. Now click on style and choose, let's say, this one. For the thickness, I will choose this one. And now click on OK. And now we have here the 200 moving average. Just click on it and it will be selected here. We have here this one, the white, the 50, and we have the 20 moving average, as you can see. In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.